Your garden is the best place to relax and spend your spare time. You don't always need costly equipment to beautify your garden. You can decorate it with unique ideas and creative designs at minimum cost, as your grandparents might not have access to modern tools and accessories. Some pro tips are effectively beneficial to turn your barren land into blooming and fertilized soil. Burying an egg in your garden soil may sound odd, but the results appear surprising. Eggshells are high in crucial nutrients like calcium, nitrogen, and phosphoric acid, serving as perfect ingredients for garden use. Let us discuss the effects of burying an egg in the garden soil. Number 1. Eggs are a good source of calcium. The most significant point to note is that only eggshells, not the entire egg, are packed with essential nutrients, especially calcium. It is profitable to boost soil fertility and tilth, particularly for growing fruits and vegetables. It can help grow healthy and blight-free tomatoes, which otherwise may grow disfigured. Eggshells will trickle the calcium into the garden soil for roots endorsement during composting, reducing the chances of developing blossom and root. You should analyze the nitrogen and pH level of your soil before burying an egg into the soil. The lower pH level and excess nitrogen in the soil curb the absorption of calcium in the roots. Make sure you crush the shells before burying them into the soil, as it may take a prolonged period to break down and decompose shells and use them by the roots. Broccoli, Swiss chard, cauliflower, amaranth, and spinach are calcium-rich vegetables and can receive an extra quantity from eggshells. Number 2. Burying eggs into the soil may protect your plants from slugs. Protecting your beautiful flowers and plants from slithering insects like snails and caterpillars can be a worrisome task. Crush eggs with their sharp ridges and bury them into the garden soil. The pointed edges serve as a major deterrent by cutting these slugs and protecting your plants, letting them flourish with full blossom. However, this tip is only useful till the eggshells are dry and moist-free. Once they get dunked into the rain or water, they turn mushy, and the remedy is no longer helpful for protection against slugs. Number 3. Use eggs as a fertilizer. Burying an egg into the garden may be beneficial but turn extremely unpleasant for your nose as it carries an intense nasty smell. You can get even more benefits from the eggshells. Bury eggshells into the garden, you will notice the plants retain significant moisture. It repels weeds that can attack and destroy your plants. This tip can be even more beneficial in case the roots of the plants are short and enough nutrients are not reaching uniformly across each part of the plant. An important thing to note is that you will need a massive amount of eggshells to make mulch for your plants. So, keep storing the shells every time you make an omelette, cakes, or other recipes from the eggs.